All right, everybody, you have been working so hard the last couple weeks. It is time for another chapter review test. This one's for our chapter 3. Remember, parents, please do not help them on this. This is to see what they know on their own, to help me better see what I still need to teach them or what we still need to work on as a group. The more of these we take, the more information I will get to help them with other activities. If you were going to go through it with them, just read exactly what it says at the bottom and don't rephrase anything or explain what the question's asking. Part of getting the question correct is knowing what that vocabulary is asking. So we're going to start up top. If you need more time in between, just go ahead and pause me because I'm going to give a little bit of a time, but you'll need more to do every part of this, okay? So after I read a question, if you want to pause it until you're done answering it, that works great. So up here in the red apple, you're going to circle all the sets that show 6. So in this group right here, count each set and circle the groups or the sets that show 6. I'm going to move on to the next one, so go ahead and pause me if you're still counting and working on that. In the yellow sun, you're going to circle all the sets that show 7. So count the whistles and circle the sets that show 7. In the green leaf and the blue flower, you're just going to count how many and write it on the line. Count how many hats, write it on the line. Count how many yellow counters, write it on the line. And then pause me because I'm going on to this page. In the purple butterfly, this question right here, you're going to match each set to a number that tells how many. I can't tell you what these numbers are. But you're going to count. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, however many there are, you're going to count them and draw with your pencil to connect the blue dots. So you're going to connect this blue dot to whatever number matches. Same with this one. You're going to draw a line to connect whatever number matches how many bunnies there are. For the brown acorn, this number right here, going to count how many and write it on the line. Hats, count how many, write it on the line. Go ahead and pause me while you work on those. For the blue and green fish, this one has a couple steps to look at. So the 10 frame shows 5 red counters and some more yellow counters. 5 and how many more make 9. So you have to circle one of these numbers. I can't tell you what these numbers are, but you have to circle either this number or that number. So look at the 10 frame. There are 5 red counters and some yellow counters. 5 and how many more make 9? Go ahead and pause me if you're still working. I'm going to move on to this page. Up in this top rectangle, Jeffrey has 8 marbles. Sarah has a number of marbles that is 1 greater than 8. Draw the marbles. So right here, this whole box is actually for both parts. So you're going to split it up. Jeffrey has 8 marbles. I'm actually going to give you a little bit more information here. So you're going to draw Jeffrey's marbles here. Jeffrey has 8 marbles. Sarah has a number of marbles that is 1 greater than 8. So Jeffrey's 8 marbles go here. Sarah's marbles go here. and then you're going to write the number on the line. So Jeffrey has 8 marbles. Going to draw his 8 marbles and write that number on the line. Sarah has a number of marbles that is 1 greater than 8. Draw those marbles and write it on the line. And then for down here, for the orange, you're just going to choose all the 10 frames that have a number of counters greater than 6. Fill in this circle, pick the ones that have a number of red counters greater than 6. Greater than is the vocabulary for that question. And then flip it over to this page, last page, everyone. Up here by the green turtle in blue, the number of turtles in a pond is 2 less than 9. Draw counters to show the turtles, and then write the number. I'm going to say that one again. The number of turtles in a pond is 2 less than 9. So it's not saying there's 2 turtles, and it's not saying there's 9 turtles. It's saying that the number of turtles you're going to draw is 2 less than 9. Remember, you can draw your counters different ways. This is going to be a big hint, and then you can cross them off if you're taking some away to figure out how many turtles there are. The number of turtles in a pond is 2 less than 9. Draw counters to show the turtles and then write the number. For 12, draw a set that has a number of objects that is 2 more than 6. Write the number. Ooh, I gave that one away. 12. It's supposed to be a red boat. Draw a set that has a number of objects, so you can just draw counters if you'd like. Draw a set that has a number of objects that is 2 more than 6. So it's not 2, it's not 6, it's 2 more than 6. Then write the number. And then celebrate because you did a great job and you finished your Chapter 3 review test. I can't wait to see how you did. And think of more lessons to go along with our math. Soon, we're going to be working with even bigger numbers. Good job today. And don't forget, put this in your blue folder to send back to me for packet pickups.